Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you wanted to help support this channel, it won't cost you anything. All you gotta do is use the links in the description if you wanted to get one of these for yourself. Hey, what's going on? Rich back with another awesome video for you. Wanted to show you how to install a tint strip across your windshield to go across the top, of course, to block out the sunlight so you don't have to put your visors down. I'm gonna be going with a 5% tint strip. You can get a strip like this and cut it yourself if you feel like you have the ability to do it. It's really difficult, it's not that easy. I ordered one online pre-cut for my specific car. I went on eBay and I basically just ordered one custom to my car. I got it exactly how I wanted it, and now I'm going to install it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I went with the 3M Color Stable, which is the best of the best. I believe it's carbon film as opposed to metallic. It doesn't have any metal in it, so it's not going to affect your GPS or your cell phone reception, which is unbelievable. Back in the day, if you ever got your cars tinted, you wouldn't get a cell phone reception, and it would definitely mess with your GPS getting a signal. Long gone are those days. You don't have to worry about that anymore. Pull it out. It comes wrapped up and sealed in a bag. My glass towels are dirty right now, so I'm actually going to use a Griot's Garage towel. Really soft microfiber, gets everything really clean, doesn't leave any streaks. Take this eraser right here and spray down the inside of your windshield, get it nice and clean. Clean it with one side and buff it and polish it with the other. You don't want to leave any kind of dust or debris on the windshield. That's the key. Once you get it really clean, you're ready to install your tint. At this point, the windshield is perfectly clean and ready to go. What you're going to need is a spray bottle. I have a 32-ounce spray bottle, 32 ounces of distilled water. I mixed in some Baby Magic shampoo. I used about 2/3 of a tablespoon to 32 ounces of water, mixed it in. You really want to make sure this is mixed up well. You don't want to spray the whole windshield, but you want to spray the whole top of the windshield down across the top. And once the top of it is sprayed down, you want to be able to put the tint in position where you want it, basically in the proper position on the top of the windshield. Once you have it just about where you want, you can move it around a little bit and position it perfectly. Then you're going to need a squeegee like so. I'm going to be using a rubber one like this. I also have a plastic one, but I'm going to use the rubber one just so I don't scratch it because I am an amateur, I'm not a professional. So I'm going to be using that. I took the spray bottle, I sprayed the windshield all the way down across. I took the tint strip off of the backing and I sprayed the tint strip on the backing and I placed it basically where I want to put it. Now that I have it in a general position, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the center over there where the mirror is, and I'm going to find the top, and I'm going to make sure everything lines up, and then I'm going to just squeegee it out from the center. You can see what I did was I positioned the tint over here. I made sure to get it perfectly lined up with the cutout for the mirror. And now that the rear view mirror is perfectly lined up and I have my gaps on top, as you can see right there, I have a little bit of about a 1/4 inch extra all the way over the matrix over there. And I have the same reveal all the way around. I have about a 1/4 inch all the way around. So now that I have that lined up, I'm gonna make sure it lines up across this way too. I'm gonna squeegee over here and just work my way out from the center. So now that I have this lined up perfectly, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna squeegee out from the center like so. I'm gonna work my way this way, and then I'm gonna work my way up on the matrix. I'm gonna go across, I'm gonna go out towards the edge of the car, make sure to get all the air bubbles out and make sure to get all the water out. And then I'm gonna go this way and work my way to the left. And that's basically all you gotta do. Once you get this lined up perfectly and you get the reveal on the top all the way, you get that lined up nice, just work your way out with the squeegee and go up and out, up and out, up and out. And that's all you got to do. Go all the way to the edge and make sure you dry everything off. And whatever you do, don't use Windex or any kind of ammonia-based cleaners on this. It will ruin the tint. I'm going to get back as soon as I'm done and I'll show you the finished product. As you can see, I got it all done, got it finished. Nice and tight along the lines. No bubbles or anything. I'm just going to have to wipe this down, but that's what it looks like. And we are all done. Okay, so it's been a couple days. Windshield's a little bit dirty right now. Obviously I had to drive the car, but I want to show you the progress. Here it is. As you can see, the matrix is all correct all the way across. It's not going to stick to that little matrix, that's just how it is. Just want to show you what it looks like all the way across. So, matrix is perfect. Everything looks great, and that is what it looks like. It came out perfect, looks great. Really like the way it came out, really like the way it looks. And it works unbelievable. Don't have to put my visors down. It really protects you from the sun. Doesn't let that light come in and hit you in the face and doesn't blind you. Again, I'm going to leave some links for all the tools and everything I use in this video. Make sure to click that like button, subscribe to my channel for more awesome content, and let me know if you got any questions or comments in the section down below. Thanks again for watching. Take care.